world together for a common goal, expanding our knowledge of space. And it leads to the development of world-changing technologies like artificial limbs and memory foam, like stuff we use today. And it allows humans to continue exploring because exploration and like discovery is in human instinct.
Strides being taken for space exploration. Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, launched in April 2018 to monitor over 200,000 stars. The Parker's solar probe will travel closer to the sun than any spacecraft. NASA sends unmanned spacecraft into deep space, and the mission to Europa, Jupiter's water moon, is planned for 2020.
Alright, so in World War II, Nazi engineers tested long-range missiles with an attack on the English Channel, and the rockets arched at 60 miles high, and they traveled at over 3,500 miles per hour. And the rockets contained powerful motors capable of reaching 50 miles above the Earth's surface, and the trajectory was 120 miles, and they were fueled by a combination of liquid ethanol and oxygen. And this proved that rockets could overcome the force of gravity and could reach orbital velocities.
And like these V2 rockets, it inspired space exploration because it proved that rockets could help us go into space. That's what launched the space race and also modern space exploration. In the space race, it was during the Cold War, obviously between the United States and the Soviet Union. It really got going when the Soviets launched Sputnik 1 satellite in 1957. It was the first artificial satellite launched into space. The United States responded by launching a satellite 3 months later, and the Soviet Union sent the first man into space in 1961, and the United States responded a year later by sending a man into space.
Alright, so during the 60s, the moon was probed by unmanned spacecraft to scope around, and then Neil Armstrong was sent by John F. Kennedy and the NASA space program to land on the moon's surface and be the first man to walk on the moon. And he did it alongside his colleague Buzz Aldrin on July 20th, 1969. And after that, 6 more missions were made, and there's a video.